Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make modagam or kolkate or kudumulu in Telugu. Please join me. Let's start. Dry roast the peanuts. Once they are roasted nicely, transfer it to a plate and remove the skin. I am using 1 cup of roasted peanuts. To this, I'm just going to grind it coarsely. Once it's done, I'm just going to add 1 cup of jaggery powder. Again, coarsely blend it. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Our filling is ready. Now we need to make the dough, rice flour dough. For that, I'm using 1 cup of rice flour. I'm using the store-bought one. So that is ready. We need 1.5 cup of water. The filling is also ready. We need ghee and salt. These are the ingredients. So to start, first add in the rice flour to the pan. I'm using the non-stick pan to make the dough. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt and 1.5 cup of water. I'm using the plain water. To 1 cup of the rice flour, add 1.5 cup of water. Mix it nicely without any lump. Adding in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Keep on stirring until the mixture gets thicker. As you can see, it's starting to get thicker and thicker, and slowly you can make a nice dough. Now it's not sticking to the pan as well. Check and see, it shouldn't touch to your fingers also. At this stage it's ready, so turn off the flame. It's very hot, so just leave it, cover it. Maybe you can put a cloth and just let it rest for a while. Once it has cooled down, you can knead the dough for a while, and the dough is ready for making the modagam. Take lime size of a dough from that rice flour dough and then make a circle like this. Patiently do it, and then once you make a nice circle, add the filling that we made earlier. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. You can use some ghee also if it's sticking. Normally it won't stick. If it is sticking, you can add some ghee. Now add in the filling, 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon, and then gently close it like how I'm showing it to you, and press the edges. If you find it difficult to make like this, you can always use the banana leaf. Spread some ghee over the leaf and then again do the same thing. Take lime size of the dough, make a nice circle by pressing it onto the banana leaf. Press it evenly and then add in the filling. Again, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon, and then just close it along with the banana leaf and then press it gently. So this is also easy method. You can just place the whole thing into the steamer and then you can make like this also. Once everything is done, steam them. I've already on the gas, so the water is boiling already. I'm just going to place them 4 at a time. Don't overcrowd the steamer, and then close it and leave it for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, they look like this. These are the one that we made with the banana leaf. It's done. I'm just showing it to you. Just remove it. It's very hot. Just leave it for a while and then later also you can remove it. I removed it too early. Sometimes it breaks also when you remove it too early. Just leave it for 1 to 2 minutes and then you can remove it. I wish you all a very happy Vinayagar Chaturthi. Have a great day. Enjoy with your family. Thank you so much for watching.